What are you going to do? Cast it? Go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Oh.
Oh, that didn't work.
Hold on, girl. Don't do that.
Kona, come on.
Go and get. Get. Get on there. Get on there. Get on there.
Get on.
Wow, that's good.
Zach, where do I go?
Did you see that, John?
Can I cast, Dada?
Such a good dog, huh? Just get right on there.
Can I cast now?
Yes, go ahead, sweetie.
Dad, did you loop?
I saw that loop the loop.
Loop. Dad, is Shane still there, Dad?
I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think that was Shane. Baby, go ahead and cast it. What you doing?
There's a piece of squid right there.
That's okay.
A squid tentacle.
That's alright. Cast it.
Get my fishing pole. Ready?
Oh, perfect. Triple, double, triple.